Unbox my giant Katz order with me. Yesterday, my grandma wanted to surprise me and my brother with some stuff from their website, so she let us pick out a bunch of stuff, and we went a little overboard, but that's okay. Oh jeez. Information. There's a bunch of papers. Okay, so we'll start with, we have burger buns right here, and then I'll show you some. We got the fudge brownie muffins. Well, we got all three muffins, but they're in here somewhere. Apple fritters. We got the chocolate chip toaster strudels, chocolate filled cream cupcakes, cinnamon donuts, triple chocolate donuts, powdered donuts. If you can't tell already, we love their donuts. We have the chocolate lovers cream cakes, dinner rolls, the heavenly cream cakes vanilla, glazed donut holes, because we tried their regular glazed donuts and they are amazing. Soft pretzel nuggets. I'm running out of room. The chocolate chip muffins, the blueberry muffins, the chocolate frosted sprinkle donuts, and lastly, the cider donuts, which I was really excited about. So stay tuned for a lot of parts, and I will be taste testing all of these.